Hello students, how are you all? Myself Mr. Shivam Dhiman and I am your SST teacher. Today in this video I will explain you about the chapter 5 which is of class 5th, and this chapter number is 5th and name is the land and people part 2nd. So students, in this chapter we will know about deserts and valleys. So students, you have known about the word desert, and desert is a physical landform of the earth where hot large sand is available. So it is a type of hot large sandy place where there is very little rainfall and scarce vegetation. Okay, सो डेजर्ट्स को हम हिंदी में मरुभूमि या रेगिस्तान कहते हैं, और यहाँ पर रेत के टीले या रेत ही पाई जाती है, रेत ही रेत पाई जाएगी और बहुत कम पेड़ पौधे पाए जाएंगे, पानी का नाम निशान भी बहुत कम होगा और बरसात भी यहाँ कम होती है। तो हमारे इंडिया में कोल्ड डेजर्ट और हॉट डेजर्ट दोनों हैं। हॉट डेजर्ट राजस्थान के थार डेजर्ट में है और कोल्ड डेजर्ट आपका लद्दाख लाहौल स्पीति में पाया जाता है। तो ग्रेट इंडियन डेजर्ट जो है वो रॉकी है और कुछ जगहों पर सैंडी है। ठीक है, ये कहाँ पर है? राजस्थान में कहीं कहीं पर रेत से टीले बन जाते हैं जो हवा के कारण बहते हैं। दे आर कॉल्ड एज सैंड ड्यून्स। ओके, तो नियर सम प्लेसेस या कह सकते हैं कि इन सम प्लेसेस underground water comes to the surface of the land, and palm trees and some vegetation grow around it, so it is called an oasis. Okay, so majority of people or many people settle here near oasis because there is good availability of water, as well as they can do fishing or they can obtain their food by agriculture. नाउ ऑक्यूपेशन, तो ऑक्यूपेशन डेजर्ट्स में मतलब जो जानवर होते हैं हर्डिंग या ग्रीजिंग करके, और वीवर्स होंगे या हैंडीक्राफ्ट बिजनेस होंगे, और नोमैड्स ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं। नोमैड्स क्या होते हैं? द नोमैड्स आर द पीपल हु मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर इन सर्च ऑफ फूड एंड शेल्टर. सो दे मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर विद द एनिमल्स and they sell goods they prepared or the produce they obtain from the forest if it is there. So they also make marble jewelries, baskets or pots. Now housing, if we come to the if we talk about the people of deserts, they are called as nomads and they move from one, or they are pastoralists, they move from one place to another. So they have temporary shelters which are called as tent. So living in a particular place and then shifting to another place, they need a temporary settlement which could be a easily tent. Now clothing, they wear long robes that helps them to protect from the hot winds that blow in the deserts. Now animals and plants, so some great well known wildlife of deserts are great Indian bustard, black buck, Indian gazelle, wild ass, and these are the rare species. As well as people also domesticate goats, sheep, camels. As we all know that camel is the sheep of the desert, so people keep camels as a transportation animal. So desert animals are high colored, have high colored skin which helps them to remain cool during the hot weather. As well as reptiles are commonly found here. Now we will talk about valleys. So valley is a natural depression formed in the earth's surface. It is usually a long hollow lying enclosed. So it is hollow lying enclosed between hills or mountains through valleys. Plains are also formed. So between two hills a gap is there which can be a valley. Okay, like Manali, Kullu, Nanda Devi. So these are valleys. Now we will know about the occupation and the people living in valleys. So in valleys, the region is very fertile because valleys are formed by the action of rivers. Rivers which flow from the mountains or hills brought silt or cause erosion. So they form U-shaped or V-shaped valleys. Okay, if we say that गंगा वैली, तो गंगेटिक वैली जो थी वो कई सारी रिवर्स से ही फॉर्म हुई है और मतलब गंगा और उसकी ट्रिब्यूटरीज के कारण जो रिवर्स हैं वो पहाड़ों से आई और मैदान बनाते हैं, ठीक है, जो कि इवन है, समतल। तो यहाँ पर कई सारे स्पीशीज़ पाए जाएंगे, जैसे आपके हिमालयन गोट्स हैं और कॉनिफर्स ट्रीज पाए जाएंगे। ऑक्यूपेशंस जो यहाँ के लोग हैं वो एग्रीकल्चर में बिलीव करेंगे। दे विल कल्टिवेट राइस, व्हीट, मेज, शुगर केन एंड एक्चुअली द लैंड इज फर्टाइल, सो many cash crops will also be grown here. And if we talk about the livelihood of people, they will also domesticate the various animals for obtaining food like milk products and the meat. Apples, apricots, peaches are also grown here or cultivated here to produce fruits for the Indian market. And many nuts like walnuts, almonds, cashews are also obtained here. So people who obtain bamboo here or get willow trees can prepare or manufacture bats, matchsticks, baskets, etc. Shawls of Kullu, Manali and Kangla Valley is very popular. हिमाचल की जो टोपियाँ होती हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है. So the people here are very hard working and they often live in very harsh conditions because the hilly areas receive maximum rainfall and most of the time it is winter or cold, so they suffer a lot, yet they are living in that place. So this was the chapter explanation of the land and people part 2 that I have explained you today. So if you have any doubt related to any topic, you can ask me in the upcoming Google class. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day, students.